Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is my mum. She's going to be trying to make herself sneeze.
First time.
It makes you cough.
Hold on.
After watching me do it, it was so hilarious.
It's coming. I told you I could do it first.
How? It took me like 13 minutes to do it.
Oh, that's because you're rubbish.
Well, 11.
And I'm good.
Do it again.
Last time. Last time.
This will
You
get
ready?
some views, this.
I doubt it. It's stupid. Right, you ready? Oh, I can feel it tickling my throat before I've even done it.
No, mine was so loud, it was like...
Right, ready? Right, oh jeez.
It makes you cough.
Hold on. It's coming. Hold on.
Your eyes are going like you're gonna do.
That's it now.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.